Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning. All fine? All good? Okay. So in last class, yes, good morning. Yes, good morning. So in last class, I think I am good. I am always fine. What about you? All time fine. Yes. Okay, very good. So I hope whatever homework was given to you, you have done perfectly. Whatever homework was given to you, you have done. Okay, everything. Okay, very good. If you have done all the things, whatever was given to you, and very, very good. Okay. Sir got seat. Very good. Congratulations, you got seat. Okay. Sit in that one. Enjoy. Okay, chill. Yes. Okay. Everyone will get seat. Okay. Only sometimes some delay might be there. Okay. You are going to get. Okay. Others also. They will join you in the college as junior. Okay. So, what was the last thing we have done in the last class? Uh, what was the last thing? A small angle approximation we started. A small angle we started. Yes. A small angle not started. I think it started, na? No, not started. Okay, no problem. Okay. Half angle we have done. Okay, half angle. Okay. Sine 2 theta told, cos 2 theta done. Okay, sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta done, na? Cos 2 theta, sine cos, both done. Means this formula for cos. If not done, then I'm writing, you have to mug up this thing. You have to keep, okay? If you remember, it will be better. Cos 2 theta will be equal to, I think, okay, whatever I remember, we have done this one. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos not done, okay? So I'm writing here, okay? You can just, okay, remember these things, whatever I'm writing here, okay? You can keep, we'll use somewhere, okay? Not regularly, somewhere we'll use this one. And then this is the 2 cos square theta minus 1, and then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So these three variation we have to keep in the mind. These two variation we are actually getting from this relation, that the sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay, this relation we are going to use multiple times. You have to remember this relation, and using this relation we are getting here these two. Okay, is there any exam? Yes. Okay, when we are learning something, then we need to keep some assessment examination. Okay, are you afraid of examination if we keep? Yes, I hope we can keep na examination. Whatever you say, okay, if you say yes, we'll keep. It should be there, na? Because we are, okay, we are doing things, then how we'll get to know whether you are getting or not getting? So, okay, we'll ask the same type of things, whatever we are writing, okay? So now we can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Will use lot of time. One is here 1 plus tan square theta. This one, can you say what will be the 1 plus tan square theta? And we can prove, okay, you can prove all these identities using that basic formula of sine, cos and tan, like sine theta p by h, cos theta b by h. Okay, you can prove also. So this thing will be basically your sec square theta, okay? And somewhere one or two places I can use this one. And then last is coming here 1 plus cot square theta. In one question we'll use this. And that is basically cos square theta, okay? So if you remember very good these things, then we'll start our small angle approximation. I hope you are ready for that. Yes? These things you have to, okay, remember. Can we go for a small angle now? A small angle, okay. In last class we have done those questions also, like if I give you 3 sin omega t plus 4 cos omega t, then amplitude will be 3 sin omega t plus 4 cos omega t, its amplitude is this thing also done 5. Yes, okay, that part is also over. So right now, okay, I will move forward and then I will write here, okay, you can write a small angle approximation, a small angle approximation. And what angle we consider as small, that is the actually up to 10, okay? When theta is less than 10 degree or equal to up to 10, we consider as a small angle. Like 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, we consider as a small angle. Beyond that, 10 will not take as the small. We can figure out, okay, separately, like we know sine 15, cos 15 values we can find. So that way we can calculate, but up to 10 we can take these angles as the small angle. Yes? Okay, so can we start now? So I'm going to plane this one. Okay, so means heading you have written. So now we can say here in this one, that is, okay, if I say this is our circle here, okay, and now in this one, okay, in this circle, okay, if I say this is our, okay, here center, and I'm moving from this point to this point, and I reached here, then you can say some angle will be there, and this is a small angle or large angle. What do you say when this rotation is done from this point to this? Okay, what do you feel? This one is the large angle or small angle? Of course, you will say this one is going to be large angle. Or this is not small. This is a quite large angle. Okay, quite large. Here to here is the, okay, large angle. Okay, so in this one we can say that if this moment is theta, then we can write here theta equal to arc by radius. Now I'm asking one question. Theta equal to arc by radius. We can write like this also, L by R. Theta equal to arc by radius. This formula is for small or large or for any. Theta equal to arc by radius. This one is for a small, large or for any angle. What do you say? What we say about this one? Theta equal to arc by radius. For any. Okay, we can use this one for any of the, okay, angle. Only one condition is there. You know the condition. What are the condition for this one? Theta equal to arc by radius. Theta must be in. Theta must be in. There is the only one condition that you need to be careful. Theta must be in the, yes, I'm asking, theta must be in radian. Theta must be in radian. Okay, here when we are using this formula, theta we cannot take in the degree. In first class this thing was told, theta must be in radian. Okay, theta must be in radian. Clear? Theta must be in radian. We cannot take theta in the degree. Okay, must be in radian. This is the one condition that you need to remember. Okay, theta must be in radian. Okay, that's it. Now we can say, suppose if I'm moving, this is the, I can say O, this is the, here I can say P. Suppose I'm not moving, this rotation is not more, it is very less. Like I can take like this. You can say here, okay, I'm moving to the point Q. This is our L, okay, that is the basically R. Means this is the arc, and this radius is R. So this angle, I can say this one is a quite small angle. Okay, this one is small angle. Even lesser than this, okay, very small I cannot draw also here. It will be, okay, somewhat tough for me. But this one is almost a small angle. Okay. Now we can say for these angle, here also we can write theta equal to L by R. Okay, theta equal to L by R I can write. Okay, let me zoom a little bit and then, okay, we'll use these things. So in this for, okay, this is theta equal to L by R. If I say I want to find sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, then sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, can I use for any triangle? What do you say? Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, can we use for any of the triangle? Can we use anywhere? Any triangle. If I suppose say, like this triangle is there, means this one is there. For this triangle also I can use sine theta here. We have to draw right angle. Okay, we need to make it right angle. Means you can draw perpendicular. Now you are free to use here. Okay, you are free to use here. You are free to use here. So basically, we need right angle. Then only we can do the things. Okay, right angle triangle. Then we can do. Okay, any of the triangle is given to you anywhere. We can make the perpendicular. We can draw the perpendicular. Then we can use freely. We can use. There is no problem. Okay, so we can write here in this one, that here in this one I want to use, you can say, sir, if you want to use, there is no problem. You can use only thing that you have to draw the perpendicular. So from here I will draw one perpendicular like this, and then I can say now I got this right angle, and this right angle, okay, I can give the name here, that is the M, and now we have this triangle, okay, right angle, that is the basically, okay, right angle triangle OM, okay, OMQ. In OMQ I can use sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. There is no problem. I can use all the identities in this one. I hope. Okay. In this one I can use, okay. One thing you will observe here, that if I say OM, okay, OM and OP are almost similar or different. OM and OP. OM is up to this, OP is up to this, almost. This is the your OM, okay, and then OP are almost same, almost same, not exactly same. I am not saying exactly, okay, nearly same, approximately same. This heading is also approximately, approximation we are writing. So I can say here OM is almost close to OP, which is actually equal to R. Can we say OM is R, OP is also R, OM is R, OP is also R. Only when angle is small. Suppose, okay, for instance, if I take this angle is not small, suppose this angle is quite large, okay, this angle is large. So in this one, when we will draw perpendicular, this is the O, this is the P, this is the Q, and here we got M. In this case, OM and OP are same. If angle is large, then it is not same. Only if angle is small, for the small angle only we can say OM and OP are going to be same. Yes, for a small angle, but for the large angle we cannot say. Clear? Any problem here in this one? Yes. Okay. Yes, so we can write here in this one that this is the, okay, OM and this is your OP here. So now OM and OP are almost same. So if I say here in this one, okay, you know what will be the OQ here? OP is the radius, OQ is also the radius. If you say na, OQ is also the radius. Okay. Sir, please turn off the light. Which light? This is not visible. Are they visible or not visible? Yes. Screen is very bright. Board is a little bit blur. Okay, let me ask the person then. Okay, 1 minute. Now I think okay. Yes. Now. Okay. So listen, what I'm saying here in this one that, okay, in this one, this is also your R, okay. I can write here in this one, tan theta, okay, or first we can write for cos, okay. So if I say cos theta here in this one, okay, so you can say, sir, cos theta is equal to, okay, in this right angle cos theta. So cos theta will be equal to how much? Cos theta is, yes, B by H. Cos theta is B by H. What are the base here? In this one, you can say base is, what are the base here? Base is O, OM. Base is OM, okay? And a cos theta I'm writing, okay? So you can say, sir, this is the OM, which is the R, divided by this is the OQ, that is also R. Means I can say in this triangle, this is R, this is also R. So it becomes R by R. And you can say R by R is? R by R is 1, okay? R by R is 1. So we can say this is 1. So from here we got cos theta is equal to 1. Cos theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to 1, you have to remember always, up to 10 degree, okay? So if I ask cos 1 degree 1, cos 2 degree 1, cos 3 degree 1, cos 4 degree, up to 10, what will be the value? 1, okay? Up to 10 value is 1, okay? For the cos, I hope this point is clear. That up to 10 degree value of cos, anywhere you need cos 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, anything, we can say it is going to be 1, okay? Yes. Then we'll go for sine, okay? If I say sine theta, okay, you can say, sir, sine theta, if I want to write, that is basically, okay, opposite, okay, means perpendicular divided by h. So here we can say this opposite one is basically, you can say if angle is small, then this one and this one are also same. These two, I think, are appearing to be almost same or not same. Means here I can say MQ is same as PQ. MQ is same as PQ, and that is equal to L. I hope no objection here. So we can write this becomes L by R. But you know what are the L by R? L by R is written here, that is equal to theta. L by R is what? Theta here. Okay. So we can write in this man that directly sine theta is equal to theta. Sine theta equal to theta. Only one condition is there, that up to 10 degree and theta must be in is theta should be up to 10, and second condition is theta must be in radian. Okay, theta must be in radian. Okay, like if I say sine 1 degree, you need to find sine 1 degree. You can say, sir, sine 1 degree I can keep as it is, only this one should be converted to radian. So how to convert anything into radian? Just you need to multiply with pi by 180. We can convert any of the given degree into radian. We need to multiply with, okay, pi by 180. Okay, pi by 180. Okay, so if sine 1 degree, then we can write sine 1 into pi by 180. Now it is the radian, so we can answer be pi by 180. Sine 2 degree is there. Sine 2 degree, then what we can say? 2 into pi by 180. Pi by 90 will be the answer. Okay. Suppose 3 degree is there, then what will be the answer? 3 degree. Then it says 3 into pi by 180. 3 into pi by 180. Yes? What will be the answer? 3 into pi by 180 means pi by. Okay. 60 will be the answer. Suppose 9 degree is given. Sine 9 degree. Sine 9 degree. Sine 9 degree, what we can write? Sine 9 into pi by 180. 9 180 pi by 20 will be the answer. Okay. We'll do examples. Okay. Which you remember sine theta equal to theta up to 10 degree. Similar, okay. Same way I am going to write for 10. 10 theta is basically your L divided by base, that is the R here. So we can say this is also approximately L by R, which is equal to theta. So we can say here 10 theta is also equal to theta. Means we can write here, okay, finally, that sine theta equal to 10 theta equal to theta. Okay, if angle is small, then sine theta, 10 theta, theta all are same. You can use sine theta, you can use 10 theta, you can use theta also. If angle is small, means up to 10 degree, and up to 10 degree, cos is always 1. Okay, this is the everything about the small angle. Then we'll be having uses of this one. So we'll do some questions. I hope you have done this thing. Yes. Sine theta is approximately equal to 10 theta, which is equal to the theta, which is equal to arc by radius L by R. Okay. So write these things. Okay. Yes, completed. Okay. So I hope we are ready for the questions. Okay. Now, so I will be asking the question. You need to answer actually very, okay. I need quick answer from here. And now, cos 1 degree. Cos 1 degree. 1 cos 0.05 degree. 1 cos 3 degree. 1 cos 2.5 degree. 1 cos 7 degree. 1 cos 8 degree. 1 cos 10 degree. 1. I am writing so many examples so that you can remember. Means up to 10 degree cos is 1. Okay, up to 10 degree cos is 1. Anything if I write here 7.8, 8.3, 9.6, okay, up to 10 degree cos theta is going to be, okay, 1. Okay, then we'll go for some of the question for sine. So you can say here sine 1 degree, suppose, okay, sine 1 degree. You can say, sir, sine 1 degree, sine theta equal to theta. There is no problem. Sine theta equal to theta. But only condition is theta should be in radian. And here that theta is given now, that is not in the radian. This is in the degree. We need to convert first. So we can write sine 1 into pi by 180, okay, pi by 180 radian, that we can write equal to, okay, now this is the radian. And when you are getting in the radian, you can drop the sign. Sine theta equal to theta, you can use. So we can say it will be the pi by 180. What is the value of pi? Value of pi. Let's see how many people are correct here. Yes. Okay. 3.14 or 22 by 7. Pi is not 180. Okay. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree, but pi value, if anywhere you have to use, pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. So if you want to put the value, we are going to put 3.14 or 22 by 7. So I'll put here in this one 3.14 divided by 180. Okay. This will be the value that we will use. Sine 3 degrees suppose coming. So we can say, sir, there is no problem. You can write sine 3 into pi by 180. Okay. Now this is the radian. And once it is coming in the radian, you can drop the sign and you can write this thing becomes here pi by 60, and pi is basically 3.14 by 60. Okay. Suppose we got here sine 9 degree. You can say the same way sine 9 into pi by 180, and then we can say this is the radian. Later on, you don't have to write this whole story here that I'm writing. Okay, you can do directly. This is the answer. Directly you will, okay, get the answer here, and we can write here in this one. This one is pi by 20, and we can write this is the 3.14 by 20. These questions we have done for the sine. I can write for the 10 also. Okay, suppose for 10 2 degrees coming. So we can write here 10 2 into pi by 180. Now this is the radian. And then you can write this is equal to pi by 2, 180, 90. And then we can write 3.14 by 90. Okay. Yes. If I give one more example here, I think these examples are now sufficient for you to guess the things, to get the complete idea of this small angle here, pi by 180 radian. Then we can say this becomes pi by 45. Okay, you can put the value of pi. Yes, I hope you don't have any single doubt. Whatever things are there on the board, and you can find anything up to 10. Any angle that is given to you up to 10, you can find. Yes, clear? Okay. So now it's done for the questions, and I hope you are ready for the numericals. Yes, some of the numericals I will ask very basic, very easy, and then we'll move. Okay, whatever type of numerical we are going to use. Okay, so let's do the things. Anyone have any doubt, you can ask. I'm going to move to the next slide. Moving forward now. Okay, add. Listen, questions will come like this. Okay, this is a very easy question, very easy pattern, very easy. Okay, it's easiest we can say. They will say there is one tree or tower is there. Okay, this is a tree, or we can say tower is there, and one person is standing. Okay, one person is there at the distance of 100 meters from the base of tower. This is the base of the tower, and from the base of the tower, this is a person here standing at the distance of 100 meters from the base of tower. They will say that top of the tower, okay, makes a 60-degree angle at eyes of observer. Okay, 60-degree angle at the eyes of observer. Here I have taken this question for the large angle. Then we'll do the same question for a small angle also. Okay, is this one is for the large, then we can do for a small also. So top of the tip of the tower is making how much angle here? 60-degree at the eyes of observer. Like I will observe, okay, I am going to observe the tower, so it will make how much angle here? 60-degree. That is the thing given. Yes. Okay, so what we can write here in this one, now you can say they are asking find height of the tower. Okay, so very easy question. You can say, sir, 1060, okay, is nothing but the, okay, h divided by 100, and already you know 1060 is the what, root 3. We can say root 3 equal to h by 100, and now we can say h becomes how much here, 100 root 3. Clear? I think very easy, na? Very easy, na? We might have somewhere uses like this, okay, but this is the very basic question. Okay, I will give you one more question. Next question is also basic one. We may use somewhere directly. These questions will not appear anywhere in your okay. We may use when we want to frame questions. Okay, we want to frame some tough question, then we can use these concept. So can you solve next question? Next one. These questions are actually 9th class trigonometry. Okay, so question is here. This is the tower here. Okay, tower height is not given. They are saying when a person, okay, moves some distance from the base of tower, when a person, okay, language will be given to you. I am not giving that language. I am giving all everything in the question. This is the, okay, here tower or tree we can say. When a person moves away from the base of, okay, from the base of tower, okay, till point A, okay, how much distance it is moving, it is not given to us. Okay, here angle is 45, okay, it subtends angle of 45 degree. Okay, when it is moving to the point A, it move, okay, it is subtending, it makes angle of 45 degree. Okay, then they are saying that when, okay, it further moves by, okay, it further moves okay, by 10 meter from A. Okay, this one is 10 meter given. 10 meter is from A to B. Okay, this distance is given. When it moves, okay, this one is not given. This one is only given. When from A to B it moves by 10 meter, then it subtends here. This angle is given. This one is 37 degree. They are asking find height of tower. Find height of tower. This is h. I hope question you got. Okay. First we need to understand the question. Once we got the, okay, if we are getting the question, then only we can solve. Yes. Okay, so question we got. Let's see how many people will get answer for this one. This one no one is going to ask directly. If you want to make somewhere a little bit tough, then we can use this. Okay, we can use something like this. So just for thought process, this one is given. What is the answer? Let's see who will give correct answer first. We got answer already. I mean, someone have answered, but thing is we have to get correct answer. Still no one. Just for common sense, aptitude things I have given this question. Directly will not use. Some part of the questions we might use. Yes, what is the answer here? 30. Okay. Let me see what others are saying. You are saying 30. What about others? Yes. What remaining people are saying? Listen, I will solve. We can say this distance is not given, so this distance we can assume this is suppose x. Okay, you have two triangles here. One is the, okay, you can say triangle with the 45, and one is the triangle with the 37. So if I use this triangle here, this triangle, okay, you can say, sir, in this triangle I can use 1045. So 1045 is actually equal to h by x, but 1045 is 1. 1045 is how much? Your 1. So we can say 1. So h is equal to x. Okay, h equal to x. If I need, I can use in place of h, x value. Both are same as an x. Then we'll use this bigger triangle. This bigger triangle, if you see with the, okay, angle 37. So here we'll write 1037. So if you write 1037, so 1037 is actually equal to, again, we can write h divided by this, okay. So h and this base will be here x plus 10, okay. So we can say x plus 10. Now 1037 was told to you 3 by 4, okay. So we can say 3 by 4 equal to, in place of h I can write x, so x divided by x plus 10. Then we can do the cross multiplication. 3x plus 30 equal to 4x. It means we can write x equal to 30. And if x is 30, it means h equal to x equal to 30. Height is also 30 meter. Yes, done. Completed. Completed. Okay. I hope you got. Again, I'm saying directly, okay, nowhere this thing, somewhere we might have a little bit usage of this one. So you should be, okay, able to use somewhere one triangle, two triangles are there. So we can think, okay, this is just for the thought process, okay. How we'll approach for the numericals, that's it. If problem is there, I will explain again. In first we are using a small, okay, this one with the 45, so 1045 h by x. 1045 is 1, so we got h equal to x. Then we can use the bigger one, 1037. Then we got right here h divided by x plus 10. And then this is the 3 by 4. And then we have crossed, we got the answer. Can I give some question for the small angle now? A small angle also some questions? Yes? Okay. So listen. They will say here that we have one tower and here observer is very far. Like this distance is suppose 1 kilometer, okay. Observer is observing from very far at 1 kilometer, okay. And this makes angle of, okay. Suppose this, okay. You can write, question will be given like this, a tower, okay. A tower, I will write the your language also, tower, okay, subtends angle of 2 degree at eyes of observer if distance of observer okay from tower is 1 kilometer, okay, 1 kilometer, find height, okay, height of tower, okay. This is the question, find height of tower. So now we can say here also we'll use, but this angle is here 2 degree, okay. You can say I can use, we can use theta equal to how much here? Tan theta equal to theta. We can use this concept here. Okay, there is no problem. Theta equal to tan theta. Only condition is we can write here. Okay, theta should be in radian. And here, if you say theta is actually your 2 degrees. So first of all, we can convert into radian. So 2 into pi by 180, and we can say this becomes here pi divided by 90. Okay. Pi by 90. Then we can write theta equal to tan theta. We can write first of all in the radian. Okay. Listen, 2 degree, 2 into pi by 180 and pi by 90. And we get tan theta will be equal to how much? Your h divided by, tan theta will be h divided by this. And this is how much? Your 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. In place of tan theta, I can put theta value, that is the pi by 90. So we can put here pi by 90 equal to, okay, now h by 1000. 0, 0 will be cancelled. So you can say h becomes here 100 pi divided by 9. If you want to put the value, then 100 into 3.14 divided by 9. We can say this one becomes 314 by 9. And then you can calculate. Okay. Yes. Can we do the calculation? Can we do questions like this? Language will be this type: tower subtends angle of 2 degrees at the eyes of observer. If distance of observer from the tower is 1 kilometer, then you have to find the distance. Yes. Can we go for next question now? Yes. Next question. And yes, this thing we will use. Okay, we'll use in our optics and some other chapters also. We can use this thing. Okay. So one more question I will give you here. And before question, first 1037 equal to 10 by x, and then x value, which is the height, then sine 45 equal to height by. In the previous question, there is no role of this one. Hypotenuse, no use, okay? We have this base. So we are only using perpendicular and base, okay? In this small triangle, if you say, no, this is the small right angle. Here we can use, okay, 1045, perpendicular by base. This base is x. So we can h by x, but 1045 is 1. So h equal to x. And then we can use this bigger one. So for this one, we can write how much here? Okay, 1037. Then we can again, okay, we can it again in this one. That will be the h divided by, okay. Now base will be x plus 10. I hope it is clear. Yes. Done. Ramya. I hope you are getting this thing, whatever I am saying here. In this previous question, means in this question, previous one. Okay. So we'll move to the next one now, okay? The next question is for you, and in this one, I will not give you in degree. I will give you in minute, okay? Because if it is given in the minute, then also we have to solve, okay? Yes, if you have a problem in this question, you can ask. I will explain again, because next question is for you. And you have to get the correct answer. But ultimately, all questions are for you, okay? You have to fight with the question, you have to get the things, okay? So things are for you. And again, I'm saying, physics is not tough. What is tough basically? Mathematics that we use. And we don't use, okay, more mathematics. We use only basic things. Okay, already one day I said that this is the just for communication. Like you are going somewhere, and okay, if you have to communicate, then that, okay, language is required. If you know little bit also, then also we can communicate. At least we can express the feelings and all the things. Okay, so minimum, okay, this much mathematics is required. Biology is tough, a lot to remember. Of course, there are so much things, and here I'm saying basic things you need to do. Just okay, this much only. Okay, like I have to communicate with you. I can easily communicate, even though, okay, in Telugu also I can communicate. Means I may not be able to speak, but okay, I can understand. So feelings we can, okay, whatever you're trying to say, I will get, okay, whatever I want to say, okay, we can exchange something. May not be perfect. I may not be able to write any literature on, okay, Telugu, but communication is okay. So same thing here. You don't have to be expert of mathematics. You need to just communicate with the physics. So basic part. I hope this one is clear. I'm taking the next question for you. If I give you in the minute, you will convert that minute into degree and then degree into radian, okay? So question is there. Same thing they will say that we got one tower here, tower, tree, anything they can say. And this tower is making, this is at the distance of, suppose, okay, 7 kilometer, okay, 7 kilometer, okay. How much hard it is? This is very easy, okay. That's why we have to study for selection. Of course, you have to study for selection, okay. So whatever, but I'm saying, okay, in people never get problem in the physics. People get somewhere when calculations are there, they are not able to do the perfect calculation, okay. And if we are perfect there, then 100%, okay, physics you will feel very easy. all the time. Okay, so many people are there. People are getting more marks, okay, in physics rather than your okay, chemistry. Percentile of physics, okay, you take any of the mark sheet, okay, percentile of physics is much better. We compared actually one time, we were so we compared this thing that okay, people who got very less marks, we compare the percentile, because we cannot compare the marks, we can compare the percentile of your physics. Even though you can check now your percentile will be much better in the physics. You okay, everyone, okay, who are okay, you will check your percentile, because percentile only we can compare, na? So if you compare the percentile, it means your physics is better. Only thing that you okay, sometimes you ignore physics. This is the problem. You need to okay, you cannot ignore the things. So this is the question here. H we have to find, and this angle is here. That is the okay, I can say in this one 22 minute. Okay, 22 minute angle is given in the, yes, 22 minute. Now we have to solve. Okay, and if you are able to do this question, means you can okay, you can get any type of question based on this. So try to get answer for this one, and I am expecting you will get 100%. Everyone can get this thing. Yes. What will be the answer? Same thing you will write. You will write same theta equal to sir 10 theta I will write, and then I will write here h divided by 7 kilometers. So I will write here 7,000. Only thing is that theta should be in the radian. So theta is given in the minute. You have to convert this thing into okay. Theta is in the your 22 minute. You have to convert into radian. Then only you will put there. Okay. Yes. No one till now. Calculation always do at the last. I told you in the beginning also. Calculation will do at the last, because a lot of things can be cancelled. Lot of things, okay, lot of data can be cancelled. So we'll do calculation always at the last. Yes. 770 pi by 54. You can put pi value 22 by 7. Then you will find that yes, something is cancelled. Sri Ram, pi is 22 by 7. We can use this value of pi. Sometimes we can use 22 by 7. Sometimes we can use 3.14. Wherever we feel 3.14 can be useful, or 22 by 7 can be useful. Okay. Accordingly, okay, we can. So I need approximated answer, okay, because this method is also approximate. What is the approximated answer for this one? Up to 1 decimal place, you can give the answer, okay. Because time is also over, so this is the last question. Other questions we'll do in the next class, okay. Now not possible. So we'll continue to, okay, in next class. So just tell me answer for this one fast. 44 something. Yes, 44 something you are saying. That is good thing. 44 point something. Okay. What is something that I don't need? You can just say 44 point. Yes. Good. Now I will solve. So for me, first thing is that I need to convert this one into radian. You can say, sir, you can write this one as 22 by 60 degree first of all, okay? Because minute to degree conversion is required, okay? First you have to convert into your degree. So minute is there, I have converted into degree. Then we can write 22 divided by 60. And here I can write how much your pi by 180, okay? This is the thing. Now this is the radian. I hope this part is clear. If you don't have any problem here, if you've done this thing correctly, 100% your answer will be correct. Now we will put this value. So 22 divided by 60. Okay. Pi value I will put 22 by 7. Okay. And then 180. Okay. I will put this thing. I am putting this one. Pi value 22 by 7. Then we get h divided by 7,000. Okay. Now if you say, sir, 0, 0 cancelled. This 7 and this 7 also will be cancelled. Yes. Now what we need to do, one more 0 is there, that also cancelled. Okay. So you can say, sir, okay, this one is basically h equal to, we can write this 0. So 22 into 22 into 0, so 10 divided by, we can write 6 into 18. Now also you can cancel, sir. We can say this one is 11, this one is 3. Here we can write again, this is the 11, and this one is 9. We can say this becomes 11 is 121, 0 divided by 27. Okay, and now this one you can divide. Yes, done. Okay, so some more questions we'll do in the next class. Meanwhile, practice, okay, this is small angle things, whatever, okay. And because we are going to use these things, heavily will use in chapter of optics, small angle things, you can just do the calculation. Yes. Okay, so bye, 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 okay. Enjoy.